Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from OKX wallet to Binance. First, open your Binance app to get the USDT wallet address. On the main dashboard, look at the bottom right where you see wallets. Tap on it. Make sure you're in the spot section. Slide to the left until you see spot, then tap on USD. Next, click on deposit. This will show your QR code for the USDT deposit. Now, select the network you will be using. In this case, choose Ethereum, which is ERC20. After selecting the network, your QR code and alphanumeric code will appear. Tap on Copy to copy the address to your clipboard. Now go to your OKX wallet. Look for your USDT by tapping on Assets at the bottom right of the screen. Once in the Assets section, click on Withdrawal. Then tap on Withdraw Crypto. Next, you will choose the method for withdrawal. Since we are sending USDT to Binance, click on Chain Transfer and select crypto via network to a wallet or exchange. Paste the address you copied from Binance into the address field. After filling in all this information, you will see the option to submit. Click on Submit. You might be asked to verify your transaction, so follow the prompts to complete the transfer. And that is how to transfer USDT from OKX wallet to Binance. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.